This is an excellent hotel, location perfect for Paddington. The rooms were exceptionally clean, the bed was really comfy and firm, and the pillows were so comfy. So many hotels have saggy beds and brick-like pillows, and there was an outside window you can actually open for fresh air.
Sound insulation isn't / the best, could hear guests upstairs walking. The ventilation van in the toilet looks a bit old and out of place compared with other modern decorations.
We quite enjoyed our stay at the Westbourne, apart from having a small kitchenette with a hot plate and a microwave which came in handy for reheating all the leftovers we normally leave behind when staying in hotels. The staff were nice and professional in their dealings.
There wasn't any free parking slots. This was mentioned in the booking, so it can be a bit challenging and pricey if you have a car in that part of town. The price was a bit high for a room that doesn't include breakfast, but having a microwave makes up for that in a way.
An amazing hotel just a few steps away from Paddington Station and Lancaster Gate. You can use Heathrow Express train to Paddington Station in just 20-25 minutes on a direct way, and the underground from Lancaster Gate takes you in just a couple of stops and minutes.
The room had a small
Oxford's
kitchenette but no breakfast supplied by the hotel. This makes it excellent for tourists, but I would not recommend for business travelers. The shower was excellent, but the bathroom was far too small for a couple.